MC, I think if you're going to put in the whole narration Sarah thing in the beginning of the movie, you need to put something else before that. The true beginning should be the scene in the pink garage where I kind of give you a disclaimer for all that.
Okay, maybe we should.
I think it's a good idea, man.
No, I think we should start with I Ain't Hereby. Like, you're running for fucking president. Like, you need to smack him with that and, like, tell him, hey, take me seriously, motherfucker.
Did I mention I'm seeking the nomination? Come on, man. There's no publicity stunt. I'm too old for stunts. Yeah, I'm the man for the job. I am hereby announcing my candidacy for the presidency. Yo, what's up? This is MC, yo, what's up? Half empty, I'm full. I fill up the cup. Beat my soul. Be my campaign. I ain't wrong. I ain't McCain. This is MC, yo, what's up? I want to start off with an apology. First to my daughter, then your kids the same. What we're doing to our children is getting insane. I know you gotta talk about the bird, the bee, but first to say I own an apology. But just as a dad, I've had it up to here. I wanna get my hand on the sticks for gear. I am here by announcing my candidacy for the presidency. Yo, what's up? This is MC, yo, what's up? Yo, yo, what's up? This is MC, yo, what's up? Don't care if you're a Bulls fan or you like the Nets. Ain't interested in the Memphis Jets. We got a lot of work and I ain't gonna be in the crowd waiting saying, look at me. Don't care if you're black, you're white or Asian. Don't care if you're black, even on occasion. Mexican, Indian, I call you what you is. Politically correct to get out the biz. I am here to try announcing my candidacy for the presidency. Yo, what's up? This is MC, yo, what's up? Half empty, half full, I fill up your cup. Be my slogan. It be my campaign. I ain't Romney. I ain't McCain. This is MC, yo, what's up?